I think DMP has a superior product commercially. I love the reliability and just the consistency of the products. I've been a DMP dealer, I think coming up on about 9 years. Had a good relationship with them. I like having a relationship with the owner of the company, knowing that I can have a conversation with somebody that's really in charge instead of just somebody at a big corporation. So this is my first roundtable, but I have been part of the DMP owners forums in Las Vegas during ISC West. DMP always puts on and has great performance. I really like the content of those meetings and thought I would expand it this year and come out to San Diego for the meeting today. You don't get these opportunities very often to be out here and listen to typically the great content that DMP has for these types of meetings, and to have the interaction with the fellow DMP dealers that are scattered throughout the country.